Protecting your brain as you age starts with a simple choice. Eating a handful of blueberries every day can actively slow down cognitive aging. We're going to establish that habit today. This involves knowing what to look for at the store, building a nutrient-dense oatmeal bowl in 5 minutes, and following a consistent 7-day weekly schedule. This routine requires 0 cooking skills and no chopping. It is designed to be accessible and straightforward. When you remove the physical friction from food preparation, eating well, it becomes a sustainable part of your morning that protects your long-term health. Blueberries contain high concentrations of anthocyanins, the specific antioxidants responsible for the fruit's deep, dark color. To understand how they work, think of oxidative stress as a form of biological rust. Over time, this rust slowly builds up on your brain cells. These anthocyanins act as a cellular rust remover. As you see here, they work by cleansing the cell and then forming a shield to protect your brain from further decay. Beyond the brain, these compounds also support your heart by helping to lower blood pressure and manage cholesterol. Improved heart health leads to better circulation. When your blood pressure is controlled, your system delivers more oxygen and nutrients to the brain, which is essential for maintaining your memory. Protecting your cardiovascular system is one of the most effective, evidence-based ways to preserve your cognitive function as you get older. When buying fresh blueberries, look for berries that are firm, dry, and plump. Always check the bottom of the container. Purple juice stains are a warning sign that the fruit is being crushed or is already beginning to spoil. If the fresh options don't look good, head to the freezer aisle. Frozen berries are flash frozen at peak ripeness, meaning they retain their full antioxidant profile. They are often more affordable and won't spoil in your refrigerator. Blueberries are also physically easier to prepare than most fruits. They only require a quick rinse, which eliminates the need to use knives or perform any difficult kitchen tasks. Eliminating the work of prep and the frustration of food waste removes the main barriers to healthy eating. It makes a daily habit much more achievable. Now, let's look at how to prepare a brain-boosting breakfast bowl in about 5 minutes. Step 1. Start with half a cup of rolled oats cooked in water or milk. This provides the fiber necessary for a healthy digestive system. Step 2. Add half a cup of blueberries. This is your primary source of those protective anthocyanins. Step 3. Stir in a spoonful of Greek yogurt. The added protein helps maintain muscle mass and prevents your blood sugar from spiking after the meal. Step 4. Sprinkle on a few walnuts. These deliver omega-3 fatty acids, which provide the structural building blocks your brain needs. Step 5. Finish with a teaspoon of honey. This provides natural sweetness without the need for refined white sugar. This combination of ingredients creates a synergistic meal. You're getting sustained energy for your morning while delivering specific nutrients directly to your brain and heart. The cognitive benefits of these antioxidants are most effective when you consume them every day. Consistency is what allows the protection to compound. On Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, follow the oatmeal recipe demonstrated. On Tuesday and Thursday, keep it simple with plain Greek yogurt. On the weekend, add berries to whole grain toast or a smoothie. Screenshot this schedule for daily maintenance. Having a clear framework like this prevents decision fatigue. It ensures you aren't guessing what to eat each morning. By following this routine, you are starting each morning with a meal that supports your heart, while protecting your brain cells from decay. I challenge you to build this exact oatmeal bowl tomorrow morning. Notice how a nutrient-dense breakfast improves your focus and energy throughout the day. Long-term cognitive health isn't always about complex medical interventions. Often, it begins with the simple, deliberate choices you make at the breakfast table. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend.